So y'all have heard enough about outsourcing. More and more companies like Masterlock are now insourcing, deciding that if the cost of doing business here isn't too much different than the cost of doing business in places like China, then why wouldn't you rather do it right here in the United States of America? Why not? Why not put some Americans to work? Companies would rather bet on the country with the best colleges and universities to train workers, with new skills and produce cutting-edge research. They'd rather place their bet on the nation with the greatest array of talent and ingenuity, the country with the greatest capacity for innovation that the world has ever known. Now, during the State of the Union, I issued a challenge to America's business leaders. Folks like John, I said, ask yourself what you can do to bring jobs back to your country, and your country will do everything we can to help you succeed. And since then, a number of companies, large and small, domestic, but also even some foreign companies, have said they now plan to open new facilities and create new jobs right here in America. So our job as a nation is to do everything we can to make the decision to insource more attractive for more companies. That's our top priority.